I'm Dr. Anna. I'm practicing in Australia, Brisbane for the last 10 years. Today I'll be teaching you how to brush toddler's teeth. I have a toddler, he's 2.5-year-old, so I have my experience and fair share of how to brushing a toddler who doesn't want to behave. It's really important to brush kids' teeth at a young age. I started brushing Tyler's teeth at 6 months old when he had his first incisor down the bottom. So we use this toothbrush. I've lost the packaging there. It's Colgate. It's 0 to 2. Very soft bristle, small head, big handle, easy for me to grab. I've used other ones which has really short handle and just it's very awkward for me to hold on to this. So when he was 6 months old, he would just be biting on the bristles. When he was 1 year old, he started to have the molars coming through, and it's really important for me to get him to sit down on my lap or lie down and for me to go in there and brush his teeth properly. So because he doesn't know how to brush his teeth, he knows how to chew, but he doesn't know how to brush all the surfaces. If I don't get this right, he will start to have decayed teeth. He won't understand the importance until he's preschool age, 4 or 5, and that'll be too late. And I don't want him to get cavities, get a horrible experience at the dental chair. And for him in particular, every kid is different. I will be brushing his teeth because he's very active and not willing to listen. I'll say around his 9 to 10, but after that I'll be supervising, especially the nighttime one. Make sure he actually stays in the toilet, in the bathroom, brushing there long enough. I'll show you how to brush his teeth. I'll start. Tyler, come here. Here's my star. And say hi. Just say hi. 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 You want to lie down? Oh yeah. So he lies down on mommy. Huh? Ah. And if you want to come closer, have a look. Can you see I pull his lower lip down with my other finger? Don't be afraid to get your hands wet. That way you can see. And do it quickly. I'm doing slow to show you because the attention span is really like literally 30 seconds there. So I don't do circles because it takes me too long. It's very soft bristle. You don't really scrub hard like in doing bathroom tiles, just gentle scrubbing. And I'll do the cheek side as well and inside near the tongue. Open, ah. And on the top, pull his lip up so you can see the top teeth. Pull the cheek out so you can get the toothbrush in there. Ah. Good boy. You can see I'm brushing the cheek surface there. So not just where he chews food, on the gum there too. Good boy. And on the inside, the palate area. And we incorporate the brushing tongue routine the last 6 months. He is a gagger, so I found that if he stands up or sits up, let me brush his tongue, it works better. So he's really good now, but when he was little, it's a different story. He was sitting on, he will be lying down between my thighs and his arms will be underneath my thighs. So it's a lock. His head couldn't move, and that way I could actually go in there. He would be screaming for the first probably a few weeks there, but slowly he learns. I have to get my teeth brushed anyway, no matter how hard I scream. And if I scream, Mum can see better, so there's no point. Okay, now I'll show you how to brush his tongue. Tyler, okay, 舌头伸出来，大舌头。这个，舌头伸出来，乖宝宝，舌头伸出来啊，舌头啊，舌头呢？大舌头。For the tongue is mainly just get used to that routine and the feel. If you see milk residue, brush it off, but don't really try too hard because he will gag if you force it. Tyler, yeah. And then he has a turn, but normally he just bites on the toothbrush until he's bored of it. At the moment I'm not using toothpaste. I tried when he was say 1.5 or 2 years old. He didn't like the minty taste. We tried the other flavors, he didn't like it. We're going to try again when he's a little bit older. If you can get the toothpaste in by the age of 2, that's great. If the kids can't tolerate that taste, just brush really well, make sure they have a good diet, and introduce the toothpaste a little bit later when they can accept that taste. Okay? Finished? Thanks for watching. Bye.